Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic, vegan versus Mediterranean diet. Which one is healthier? Which one is more sustainable? Which one is right for you? Let's find out. Choosing the right diet can feel overwhelming. There's so much information out there and everyone seems to have a different opinion. Today, we're going to break down the science behind two popular diets, the vegan diet and the Mediterranean diet. We'll explore their core principles, examine their potential health benefits, and address some common concerns. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to make an informed decision about which diet, if any, aligns with your personal health goals. The vegan diet has gained incredible popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It's rooted in a philosophy of compassion, aiming to minimize animal exploitation and promote environmental sustainability. But how does it work in practice? A vegan diet eliminates all animal products. This means saying goodbye to meat, poultry, fish, dairy, eggs, and even honey. It sounds restrictive, but don't worry, it's far from boring. The vegan plate is bursting with vibrant, nutrient-packed plant-based foods. Think colorful fruits and vegetables, hearty legumes like lentils and chickpeas, whole grains like quinoa and brown rice, and healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and seeds. This way of eating is not just good for the animals and the planet, it's also been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Let's jet set across the globe to the sunny Mediterranean region, a place renowned for its delicious cuisine and impressive lifespan. The Mediterranean diet isn't about strict restrictions, it's about embracing a balanced and enjoyable way of eating. Picture yourself at a bustling market surrounded by fresh produce, seafood, and the aroma of herbs and spices. This diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods with a focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean region, reigns supreme as the primary source of healthy fats. It's rich in monounsaturated fats which have been linked to heart health benefits. While plant-based foods take center stage, this diet also includes moderate amounts of fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy, primarily yogurt and cheese. Red meat is consumed sparingly. Both the vegan and Mediterranean diets boast an impressive resume when it comes to health benefits. They share a common foundation of prioritizing plant-based foods, which are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. The vegan diet, with its emphasis on plant protein and lower intake of saturated fat, has been shown to significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. It can also lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The Mediterranean diet is a champion for heart health. Its abundance of olive oil, fish, fruits, vegetables, and moderate alcohol intake, think a glass of red wine with dinner, has been linked to improved cholesterol levels, reduced blood pressure, and a lower risk of heart attack and stroke. Both diets have also been associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including colorectal, prostate, and breast cancer. This is likely due to the high intake of antioxidants and fiber found in plant-based foods. While both diets offer impressive health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential drawbacks. The vegan diet requires careful planning to avoid nutrient deficiencies. Vitamin B12 found in animal products is essential for nerve function. Vegans need fortified foods or supplements for B12. Iron is another concern on a vegan diet. Plant-based iron isn't as easily absorbed as heme iron. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for brain health. Vegans can get ALA from flax seeds and chia seeds. Algae-based omega-3 supplements can bridge the gap. The Mediterranean diet can be calorie-dense. Be mindful of calorie intake for weight management. So, which diet reigns supreme? The answer isn't as simple as declaring a winner. Both vegan and Mediterranean diets offer health benefits and reduce chronic disease risks. The best diet depends on your needs, preferences, and lifestyle. Passionate about animal welfare? Try vegan. Prefer flexibility? Mediterranean might suit you. Listen to your body and nourish it with whole foods. Gradual changes are easier than overhauling overnight. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals. Find healthy swaps for your favorite foods. Consult with your doctor or dietitian before major changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions. They can help you meet your nutritional needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and diet comparisons. Remember, your health is a journey, not a destination. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. The most important thing is to find a way of eating that makes you feel your best, both physically and mentally. See you next time.